In a world where oil pipelines are vital yet vulnerable, LowAlt Technologies introduces a groundbreaking solution. Imagine a swarm of drones, each powered with cutting-edge AI, dropped from drone motherships and patrolling the skies to safeguard these critical infrastructures. These aren't just any drones, they're FPV and microdrones, flying in synchronized groups, each led by a strategic leader. The threat is real: individuals with malicious intent, vehicles poised for sabotage or destruction, suicide drones. But with LowAlt's drone swarm, these threats are detected and neutralized before they can strike. LowAlt addresses low-cost asymmetric threat with low-cost high-technology defense. The drones, guided by advanced AI, anticipate every move, adapting strategies faster than any human could. This swarm is a fortress in the sky, impossible to counter due to its speed, agility, and sheer numbers. Controlled by drone motherships, the swarm operates with unparalleled precision, ensuring the safety of pipelines through sophisticated cybersecurity measures. This is not just technology, it's a revolution in security. As the drones glide seamlessly over the pipelines, they embody the future of protection: innovative, authoritative, and unstoppable. With LowAlt Technologies, the oil industry can rest assured, knowing that their lifelines are secure. Join us on this journey into the future of security, where technology meets peace of mind. Discover how LowAlt Technologies is redefining pipeline protection, one drone at a time.